Most people don't face CBT exams because they are not intelligent.
Are you playing?
They fail because they don't understand how the CBT system works. And let me say this honestly, the time pressure, the exam interface, the panic issues, they are real. But once you understand how the system works, everything changes.
Jesus!
Of the app is like this. So when you have to open the app to show you this interface, and this is what we are going to see on the app. Okay, personalize, master the AI-CBT environment, experience reality simulation, real-time AI invigilation, build confidence, personalize AI coaching. Okay, so we can click on skip if you want, or you can click on next, whichever one you like. When you click on skip, it will bring you to the welcome page, the authentication page. The authentication page, you can sign in using your login details. So you can sign in if you register, but if not registered before, you can click on, you have to create a profile so that you can have access. Then this sign up, if you click on this sign up, it will automatically sign you up, and you can also create a profile. So I'm creating a profile now. So let me just create a profile with an email. Okay, I will just create a profile. So, and that will be how you start. Okay, after creating the profile, you can choose your country of your own choice. You can choose, as we have, these are the available countries that is available for now. Okay, you can pick any of this country and you can register. Okay, and click on register, and you will be signed up and into the app like that. So when you are in the app, introducing the app to you, this app is AI-CBT Solution, which was made, this app was made in order to create a CBT exam like simulation, real-time simulation for CBT users. Okay, so that you can start getting access to how CBT exam looks like, how they need to get familiar with CBT. So we've talked about the authentication aspect. So now we need to talk about the interface. Okay, so here we have good morning, because I'm just doing it in the morning. So we have good morning, we have to show you your username and your ID. This ID will be the identification ID for this app. So you can choose to click on, you have the light mode and the dark mode. Okay, whichever interface you want to work with. You have the 5 token. So these are the free token that is available. If you refresh this page, it will automatically sign you in again. Okay, if you refresh this page, it will automatically sign you in again, and you can continue. The bell is for notification. You can get our notification, our updates, okay, on the app. On read and click on the bell. And here we have your menu, the menu dashboard, the user menu dashboard. We have the dashboard, we have the community hub, we have the profile. We are still going to talk about this. We have the profile setting, we have the refer and end, we have the video training, we have the audio coaching, we have the analytics, we have report issue, contact support, connect with us, and log out. Okay, so we have daily motivation. The daily motivation is just a motivational quote that keeps coming in order to encourage you. Every step forward is a progress. The hard work is done. Trust yourself, breathe, and show them what you know. All right, so these are the daily motivational quotes in order to encourage you. You can be reading these every day in order to inspire yourself. You can be reading that every day. And we have the AI simulation. We have the AI simulation. We have the practice or school CBT mode. Okay, we have the training mode. We have the play game. You can play the game, the CBT speed challenge game. Okay, we have the news. The news is available on the app, whereby you can get your admission news, you can get jam news, you can get your school news, and if your school is using our app, you can get update from the schools and institutions. You can get various institution news from the app. Okay, these are the categories of news that are available on the app. We have the NYC news, recruitment news, foreign news, job news, admission news, school news, and we have the general news. Okay, so these are the news that is available on the app, and any of the news you can read them is available for you to read. You can share this article to friends. You can copy here and share, and you can read the news. And below the news, you can always rate us, and you can give us a rating, and you can always share your thoughts. Okay, you can share your thoughts. You can share your thought about each news that you are reading. Okay, you can share your thought about each news you are reading. So comment and share your thought about the news. So is see rating the article. So you will see more news here. You can invite your friend using this link to invite them. Like if I click on copy this link, referral link copied. Okay, so I can go to my WhatsApp and paste the news, okay, for my friend to see. Key at the down part here, which is always for mobile user, but on laptops it won't be there. So we have the future training. The future trainings will be videos. Okay, we have various videos that will be available. Like we have the understanding AI-CBT exam. Okay, when you click this, okay, so free token, there is free token for every 5 videos that you watch. Okay, you earn more tokens also for these videos. Okay, so when you click it, automatically it will play the videos that is attached to the. Okay, so that's it. So when you watch it, the progress tracker is there to track the video. So when you are watching the video, if you pause the video, the tracker will pause. If you play the video, the tracker will continue to watch at least 80% to mark as completed. So if until you watch 80% of this video, that's when it will mark as completed. So you can see here, until you watch 80%, that's when it will mark completed. So and when you watch one, it will read one video watch until it will reach 5. When it reach 5 videos that you've watched, it will give you it will give you your token immediately. You didn't need token to read the news or make comments. You didn't need token to watch the video. The video will give you token. Reading the news, you can share it to get more tokens. And so let us start by introducing what this app is majorly built for. There are various apps that gives exam simulation, but this app especially makes in order for every user. Are you a job seeker? Are you a student? Are you a employee? Are you schools, tutors, centers that teach students, jam lesson, all this aspects? This app is for you. You can use this app also. Work with us, and we will give you the way to use this app for your students. Personally, for your students, you can make use of it for your students in order for them to, as you are training them the physical aspect of the subject, they can also train with the CBT computer based aspect of the subject, of any subject. So let's just move very quickly. All right, so here my account, let me start from the back. My account, we have my account. Under my accounts, you can know about your profile setting, your plan, the kind of plan you are, the community, the analysis, your refer, and your store. Okay, you can click my profile settings, and you can in the profile settings here, you can edit your name, your password. You can't edit your email again or your country. If you need to do that, you have to reach out to us. Here you can put a picture of yourself you want to be on the page. Okay, you can put any picture you want. You can put your picture, any picture you want to on the app. Okay, so the picture will be updated, and you can click on save. So the app will save your profile, and on the dashboard you will see your profile is having a picture already. We are still on my account, okay, whereby now we have a picture on here. So on my plan, okay, this is token. You are on free plan, currently free plan. So if you need to subscribe, you can subscribe for a month for school CBT alone for a month, or you can subscribe to advanced CBT, whereby you can use both the school CBT and AI-CBT, and you can subscribe for a year. Okay, and not only that, they can go for the lower token price, which is for 5 days, which is 1,520 naira, and 14 days, and we have 21 days, and all these are applicable to all the countries using the app from. All right, so I'm still going back to my account now. Under my account, okay, you have your country will be there. The device type you are using is mobile. Okay, it will detect automatically if you are on mobile or laptop. It will detect. We've talked about my profile, we've talked about my plan, and now let's talk about my community. My community, when you click on community, we have Nigeria as my chosen country, and we have the general community. The general community consists of all the countries that is the app has accepted and is available. Okay, your community, your country community is where it will show here by your country name, and you can click it to join other user that is on your platform. What happens here is that you can interact with other user on this community. One thing that is available on this community is that you can make use of this community to get solutions. It's integrated with AI, and whereby you can ask questions. The AI is now turned on, and you can ask questions about any questions concerning your subject, concerning your tutorials. It's strictly to subjects, okay? Either biology, chemistry, mathematics, English. You can ask any question. Like, let me ask, you can ask any question on the app. So you can see, hello scholar, let's break down the step by step. First layer, find the value inside the expression square of 144. Okay, so we have the AI simulation interface. Okay, let me ask another question. And say, okay, solve the equation, find x. So let's see what AI will say about this. Hello scholar, let's solve for x with speed and precision. Isolate the time with x. Subtract 3 from both sides. Okay, divide both sides by fraction. Alright, so you can see, so it will explain what you need to know in prescribe. These are the prescription of AI is to give you basics of getting your question solved. Okay, this is one of the reasons you can ask question in your community. If the AI is not available, anybody in the community can help you solve those questions. So this is one of the reasons you need to be using the app to ban you for minutes if you go against the community rules. Okay, there's don't spam the group, no abusive words. You can ask for contact numbers of your friends so you can chat on and on. All right, so for collaboration and some other things. So that is for the community. Okay, so let's go back, and we have the analysis. The analysis is for when you take exams. Okay, so we are still going to talk about that, the analysis, and refer and earn. Here you can always share the link. So he said, invite friends, earn reward for every friends who join using your unique link. Okay, you can refer a friend, so if you click on the link you can share, and straight to your WhatsApp. It's a very free and friendly app to use. Okay.